All right, boys. So before this video starts, I'm going to give a little preface to set the scenario of what I was feeling before this video. So when the Tesla got shipped in, it had about 5 miles left before it died completely. So I looked up the nearest charging center on Google, and it said there was 1.7 miles away from the shop. So instead of hauling the Tesla on the truck and trailer, I took the gamble and drove it there with 5 miles left of battery juice. I got to the address that Google took me to, and there was no charging center to be found. Turns out Google put the wrong address, and the nearest charging center was 12 miles away. So I tried driving the Tesla to park it somewhere safe until I could tow it on the truck and trailer, and the Tesla completely died before I could get it parked. Everything turned off, and the screen inside the Tesla went black. So I hooked up a jump box onto the 12-volt battery in the frunk, and that gave it enough power to get the Tesla onto the trailer. And that takes us right to the start of this video. Enjoy. Boys, we finally made it back home. So we've got the Tesla on the trailer right now. There's this place that has the public charging centers, I guess you could say, for the Teslas. So we're gonna take the whole truck and trailer and try to park this down there so we can charge the Tesla, because it has 0 battery right now. I don't even know how it was able to drive up onto the trailer, but that's the plan. So I will see you guys at the charging center. Boom, baby. So we made it to the place with the Tesla chargers. You can see them right there. It took me forever. I went to the first spot and they were all taken. And so we found this spot, and now we're just gonna try to roll this thing off and get it reversed right there so we can start charging this boy. Let's get it.
Home to the mountain.
Alright, the freaking car died on me, so I had to push it back into the spot, and it's close enough to where I can just pop this boy out. And let's get it charging, baby! Alright, this is the best moment in my life. Here we go, boys. Oh, we're charging finally. All right, boys. So this is like 3 or 4 hours after we dropped the Tesla off at the charging station. So long story short, I got out of the car to make sure everything was charging, closed the door, everything locked up, the car turned off, and everything was in the car. My phone, my wallet, everything. But I had my Apple Watch, so I was able to call and get a jump box. So I got a jump box, jumped everything to get the doors back open, and I'm assuming the battery is dead. So I ran down to Interstate, got a new battery. So right now, what we're doing is slapping in a new battery, the 12-volt battery, and hopefully everything will start working, because it won't even charge right now because the 12-volt battery has gone to crap. So, and since I was locked out, I brought my sister's dog this time, so if I get locked out again, I'm not lonely. Let's get it. All right, boys, it freaking worked. Got the Tesla battery, 12-volt battery slapped out and put in this new Interstate one. And as soon as I slapped that on, everything turned on. The car opened up and the Tesla is now charging. Check it out. And it's blowing warm air. Woo! Look at that, we've got 9 miles on it so far. It says 6 hours and 25 minutes. That's insane. It's gonna take so long. But me and Olympia just chilling in here to make sure that it was gonna charge. And everything's going good. We got the new battery slapped in and got the truck and trailer right there, baby. And we're just gonna head out in just a second and we'll come back in about 6 hours and check on the car.